Hello everyone, good early in the mornings without midnights here. So I wake up in the early in the morning from this midnight because I gonna relax, refreshing, and these are the code outside in the midnights here. Okay, so we're here from this one. It is analyze of these games in SEC Days Chess Tournament 2025. So this is a last round from round number 4. So I will leave it here by round number 2 to 3 to skip by in this round number 4 from this last round. Okay, so no more time clocks here and also a standard form. So in this today's last round and also have a between from these ambassadors by BSHTM in the Philippines is Lawrence Garcia versus the generals by BS Cream in the Philippines is Melvin Navarro. So it means I will find the photos, so no more photos, so never mind, so used by unknown photos here. Okay, so who was the win from this team will crowd by third placer by these bronze medals here. So in this today's last round, in this part of this video, you have analyzed here of the standings after round number 4 in SEC days here. So white plays Garcia is e4, e5 Navarro, knight f3, knight c6, knight c3. Three knights opening here, and also bishop c5, book lines here, and also bishop to b5. So it is normal here. So it means without bishop, without threats the knights here, so it means these are the given dubious moves. So it means the best moves there, this one is knight takes captured pawn. So knight takes e5 here without sacrifice and knight takes captured without book lines here. So according by this one by computer here, so these are the slightly advantage here by whites here. So sacrifice by this one by continuations. Okay, so back there this bishop b5 without move side here, or maybe move by bishop b5. So it means with a strong move by these white pieces, and decided by a6 without a tempos. Tempos attacks the bishops here, and decided bishop captured accepted by knights, and also pawn takes. So these are the ugliness double pawn structure here. So it means but not yet ready by knight captured without free pawns here, and also knight takes. Okay, good precise by Lawrence Garcia. Or next move by this one by strong by queen f3 without threatening by mating nuts here. And also bishop captured sacrifice. Wow, what a nice. Without bishop, without sacrifice the bishop, so it means without check. So these are the checks. So I think Lawrence Garcia is very shockful. So it is, huh? Oh my god, why bishop captured? So very shocking by this Lawrence here. So it means without sacrifice the bishop by pluck pieces here by this Navarro here. And without Lawrence Garcia is king takes sacrifice by bishop, and also good move by black pieces by Navarro is queen d4 check. So what a good move by black, or without check, or without threats, without traps the knights here. And also without go backs by king e1 by Garcia, and queen takes captured knight. So these are the captured by these determinations here, and also by good precise by Garcia is d4 without good move, without idea, without threats the queens here, and decided by queen to d6 without backwards here. So these are a dubious move by given by computer engine. So the best move is queen e7. Oh, okay, queen e7. So need more backwards here without queen e7 without backwards. So if you move by queen f3 here, so how do you control, and also bishop to e6. So once of this computer engine here, so etc etc. So these are the slightly betters here. Okay, back there is queen d6 by Navarro, and also push e5 without threatening the knights here. So it means that's not one of this computer engine by Lawrence Garcia. So the best move is queen f3. Need more defense here by continuations here. So according by computer engine, so these are the slightly betters from whites. Wait, okay. So back there is push e5 without threatening that temple's attacks, and also queen e6. Okay. Okay, without queen e6 here, without move side here, so it means so these are a brand X move by Navarro. Okay, so the best moves is queen to g6. Okay, queen g6. So without move side here or without threatening the double pawns or double pawns here without threats here. So if you move by queen e2 without determinations here and also without knight e7. Okay, knight e7 and also rook e1. Rook f1, sorry. Okay, rook f1. So rook f1 here. So these are the ones of this computer engine here. So these are the good slightly betters from whites and blacks here. Okay, good slightly betters. And back there, this one is queen e6 here by Navarro and also pawn h3. So these are a novelty by Lawrence Garcia in this battle of these games. Okay, so these are the old main lines is database knight e2. So knight e2 here by recording by master opening database by chess.com. So it means so h3 x move without novelty by this one by in this Garcia here, and also bishop d1, another X move by Navarro. So the best moves is queen g6 again. What happened? So it means so these are the queen g6 again. So these are the good slightly. Okay, so bishop d7 by this one by Navarro here, and also bishop e3, another brand X by this Garcia. So the best move is king to f2. Okay, king f2 here. So these are the ones of this computer engine. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop e3 with Lawrence Garcia here, and also c5 without sacrifice, so it means given by dubious move by Navarro. So the best move is castling queenside. Okay, castling queenside here. So these are the continuations here, so the ones of this computer, so goods for blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one is c5 sacrifice and also queen f3. So late move by this Lawrence Garcia. So without threatening the without pawns or pins, without rooks here, so these are a given bad move by computer engine by Lawrence Garcia. Okay, so the best move there, this one is need more push by d5. With a push d5 or threatening the queens here. So if you move by this queen takes e5 without continuations and also queen f3, need more defense the bishop here. So need more defense or protecting this bishop. If you castling queenside here without continuations, without castling, and king f2. So no need by castling kingside or castling queenside by white pieces here. So once of this computer, so goods for whites and blacks here. Wait, okay, goods for whites. So back there, this one is queen f3 by Lawrence Garcia, or maybe without diagonals, without pins, without threats the pawns, or without rook spins here, and also without bishop to c6, without threatening the queens. Blunderatious! I don't want to shout. Okay, bishop c6. So without bishop c6 threatening the queen, so it means but also blunderatious by Navarro. So that's not one of this computer. Blunderatious. So the best move is c takes d4. So c takes d4 without threats the bishop or knights or without double attacks here. Okay, so if you bishop takes pawn, So it means without takes and also continue castling queenside. So it means c takes d4, not bishop c6 here. So according that wants of this computer, so good slightly betters from blacks here. So these are the continuations by love of this computer engine here. So back there, this one is bishop c6 blunder ratio. So these are lowest evaluation bar. Woo. Oh my god, dude. Below evaluation bar by black pieces or highest evaluation bar by white pieces here. And good move by Lawrence Garcia is push to e5. Sacrifice. So it means without idea, without double bishops and queens. So it means double attacks here. And decided by Navarro is bishop takes captured and also queen takes without queen to queen with Lawrence Garcia. In accept by Navarro, queen takes, knight takes. So these are the threatening the pawns here without check and without rook traps here. So these are the next by targets here, and also without rook d8 without threats the knights here, and also knight takes captured without check, and also king d7 without attacks the knights here, and also go back knight d5. So need more without go backs by knights with Lawrence here, and also knight e7 by Navarro without captured by this eating the knights here, and without defense rook d1 by Lawrence Garcia. So if you knight captured here, so it means opening by this check here. So these are the ready by captured by knight takes here, and decided without king c6 without need more threats here. So without kings or knights or without threats the knights here. So it means so these are the rooks. So need more first by attacks by tempos targets here. And also knight takes captured without opening. Oh, okay, without opening by this one by rook to rooks here without rook d5 here, because these are the rook d5 by this in these boards here, and also without king c7 without king c7 without continuations, and also bishop takes captured. Okay, for example, so in accept, why don't we rook takes accepted without rook takes d8 without rook accepted here, and also king takes captured. So king takes d8 here without threats the knights here. So if we move by here by knight f5, okay, knight f5 with the continuations, and also pawn g6. So need more threats the knights here. So these are a goods for whites and blacks. So these are the continuations here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop takes c5 here without defense the knights here, and also ignorance rook e8. So it means why ignorance by Navarro without move side, or maybe by rook d5 without rook to rook here. So in accept here, why don't we in accept by rook takes here? So if you rook takes d1 check here, and also king takes rook by here, if you move by rook to d8 check. So how do you control? And also king c1. Okay, so king c1 here. So these are the good determinations by computer engine. So these are the goods for whites and blacks here. Okay, goods for whites. So it means back there, this one ignorance by rook d8. So rook d8 by Navarro here, and also without rook f1 by Garcia, without idea, without Lawrence Garcia, without tempos attacks by pawns here, without counters attacks, and also pawn h5. Oh wait, so it means so these are the touch move by Navarro. So these are the okay. So h5 by Navarro here. So I cannot see the video by this move by touch move. So these are the rules by this one by chess here. So it means so h5 here. without Navarro, and also without rook takes captured pawn. So need more threats here, without threats the pawns here, without continuations here, and also without rook h6 by Navarro, or next move by this rook to e6, without doubles or battery, without controls by this one, by connected by these continuations here, and also rook takes captured pawns and battery rook e6. So these are the, it is called by battery. So same by danger by knights here, or rooks without threats. So these are the dangers by knights here. And also without knight d5 check, and also king to c6. So these are the threats here without continuations, or maybe without attacks, the bishops here. So these are a given bad move. So that's not one of this computer engine here. So the best move, this one, is king to b8. Okay, king b8 here. So if you move by here by knight to e3, okay. So knight e3. So if you knight e3 here, and also rook captured pawn. So rook takes e5 without threatening the bishops here, or without threats the knights, or sacrifice here, and also without bishop to d6 check. So without check, or maybe without check, so it means traps the rooks here. So no more rooks here. So it means, so easy wins for whites here. So easy wins for whites from these pieces here. Okay. So it means, so back there, this one is king to c6 by Navarro without threats the bishops here, and also without rook c7 without check here, without defense the bishop here, and also force proc the active king b5 here, and also without c4 without check sacrifice. Okay, so sacrifice here, and also without king a4. So it means, so why don't we try, if you king takes here, so king takes here without, oh, king takes c4, or maybe without threats here, without, I don't know what's the threats here. So if you threats by this one from knight, so I don't know what threats. So with the threats here, and opening by this one by without check here. Okay, with a check here, so these are the good examples. Wait, I think the continuations here. Okay, so back there, without king a4 by Navarro, or without attacks the b3, coming by check here. So without check by this attacks by this danger from blacks here, and also without b3 without check by Garcia here, and also rook the active king a5, and also bishop b6 check. So it means, so these are a grand X move, so X move by without check here. So it means, so first guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the miss his from this mating net by checkmate by Lawrence Garcia by one from this easy wins for whites here? So guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of our seconds, and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. So the best move is bishop to b4 mating net. So it means, so wins for white. So it means, so Lawrence Garcia missed the mating net by checkmate here. So it means, Lawrence Garcia is very missed this one by mating net by bishop to b4. So it means, win for whites here. So white wins. So So it means, so these are, why bishop to b6 here without x move. So it means x move, so it means wrong move. So it means, so why Lawrence to this one by bishop to b6. So it means these are a wrong move by Lawrence Garcia, because Lawrence Garcia so forgot by miss by mating net by checkmate. So it means, so easy wins for whites here. So it means, so continue by bishop to b6 without check by this Lawrence Garcia here, and also rook takes by bishop. Oh, so it means without rook captured bishop, so it means forced move. So it means, so brilliant or not brilliant here. Without knights here, without threats the rook here, and also without rook c5 check. Okay, so for example, in accept, sir, why don't we knight takes captured rook without continuations here? So how do you control here? And also rook captured pawns without check, without rook takes e5 check, and also king f1. So if you move by this one, king to knights here. So king takes b6 without knights here, and also okay. So without kings, without threats, the rooks here. So how do you move by this one? And also rook h7. Okay, so rook h7. So these are the ones of this computer engine. So these are the goods for whites and blacks here. Okay, goods for whites and blacks. So back there, this one is rook c5 without checks here, and also without, okay, so without rook to b5, without rook to rook here, and also without by b4 sacrifice without check here. Okay, so without b5, I mean b4, sorry. So b4, I'm sorry I got wrong note. So it means b4 without check by pawns here, without check. Okay, with a check here. With a check by this one. Or pawns with a threats the rooks here. I'm sorry I got wrong notes because I very confused my brains here. So it means let's continue b4 without pawns with a check here, and also without king a4. Okay, king a4 without properly active move here, and also capture the rook. So one piece down. So one piece down by this Melvin Navarro from this one. And three minor pieces. So it means, so two minor pieces by rooks and one knights here. So it means, so three minors versus one minors by one rook by Navarro here. And also without captured. Okay, so guessing second puzzle, what do you think about the best shot by Lawrence Garcia to sacrifice so once of this computer engine by perfect move in this MVP by ambassadors? So second guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Rook captured sacrifice. So if your king takes captured rook, so it means knight c7 check. So it means because rook's traps. So rook traps here. And also king takes rook without sacrifice, and also perfect shot knight to c7 check. So if you check, so it means rook's trap. So no more pieces here. So it means it's a very shrinking that blocked by Navarro. And also king b6 here, and knight takes captured rook, and also last shot king c6. So it means, okay, so king c6 so cannot move by white by Garcia. So it means, so resigns by in these generals by Melvin Navarro. So I thought the shocking by win is here. So the score by this one by in this ambassadors by 1 and black by 0. So congratulations by this one from bronze medal here in this ambassadors here. Okay, so let's see of these final standings by this top 3 awarded by SCC Days Chess Tournament 2025. Okay, so the gold medals championship by innovatives by BSIT. So it means so gold medals by championship and also silver medals by executives by BSBA and BS accounting, and also bronze medal by third placer by ambassadors by BSHTM. Okay, congratulations by ambassadors. So congratulations by this top 3 by final standings by SCC Days Chess Tournament 2025. Okay, so let's see of this picture from this in this bronze medal. So congratulations by bronze medal by third placer ambassadors by BSHTM. Congratulations. So it means I hope the proud and very happy and happiness by this one by this hopeful here. Okay, so let's continue by this one by okay global chess league from this. So I cannot continue from this Tech Mahindra. So global chess league 2025. So I will continue from this later soon. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka I call my 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. So happy morning, bye bye.